The project represents a real investment in the neighborhoods that are affected by the construction of I-75. We looked at the City of Toledo and said, how can we modify the streets to really take advantage of the new changes there and to reinvest in the neighborhoods that are affected? So part of this was working with a landscape team and investing in more than 300 different kinds of trees, red oak and swamp white oak, big beautiful trees that will be a part of this part of the neighborhood for a long time to come. Over 300 trees were planted. We have 6 landscape walls along the corridor of the Phillips-Willys project, entry piers at Collingwood into the old West End area. And so as we've made these investments, we hopefully we're positioning the neighborhood for revitalization that will come with the redevelopment of the old Jeep plant area and what's been happening there. All of this was part of a joint project, a partnership. The City of Toledo and ODOT, as part of the I-75 project, ODOT made commitments because of the concerns, the environment changes and what has happened here. And so it was a partnership. ODOT, City of Toledo, Mercy Health helped us with acquiring a couple of the properties and donating them to the project. So it was a real great partnership, a true public-private partnership.